Hi, Miss Seward here. Come along with me as I pack an Art for Wellness kit. I want this kit to help me with stress reduction and play and fun and exploration. So, do you want to know the secret? There is no secret. There's no special supplies you have to use. Just use whatever you have on hand. I went through some of my art supplies and found what I had on hand. I have some nature print paper that's really fun to go outside and explore. Coloring books are always great for stress reduction. I found some different paper and sketchbooks. Gel glitter pens are great for fun and exploration. Highlighters are fun to color with. Tempera sticks I have found are really fun. I had a little block of wood that I can color on and some different sketchbooks. So there we go. Once it's all packed up, now I have my tea with me. Of course, that's an essential part of stress reduction for me. But now I can use it wherever I am, on the go, on my porch, in the park, in the classroom. If I am out and about somewhere, I can take it with me. So it's really fun. And here is me coloring. Some tips and rules about coloring is there are no rules. You are the artist. You can color outside the lines. You can color however way you want. My dad always taught me that you're supposed to color inside the shape and then fill it in. Sometimes I do that, but here I am using a highlighter to color outside the shape. I am using the highlighters and glitter pens to overlap and layer the colors. There's really no rules, especially if you are doing this for stress reduction. Have fun. Don't get uptight about it. Just be loose, be creative, and let the flow go. And enjoy. Here it is, all packed up and ready to go for next time. Keep creating.